can't say nothing again. Eh? All my friends are white. Nearly white or brown skin. All my friends are Negroes, niggers, Negrophils. All my friends are fascists, racists, murderers and thieves. All my friends are church folks, godly people, praying to sky God. All my friends are living dead, trying to escape from themselves. Yeah, you know. Them used to call Alan Hope, but I change it still to Muta Baruka. Now what people ask, why you change the name? Well, it's a realization that certain names don't fit certain people. And right now, through the whole I and I right now is just Rasta. We find ourselves have to live according to a certain precedence, set a certain precedence in the world, internationally or otherwise. So we do things different from most people. Like most of the time you see a man here looks so, you know, that is how a man identify a Rasta man still. Yet still not every man who look like me is a Rasta. Cause you have a whole heap of man out there who look like me and is not a Rasta. Cause the world right now feels say from your locks and you smoke herbs, right? He's Rasta. Well me know say Rasta higher than that. Rasta deeper than that right now. It's not only locks and herbs make Rasta. It's a certain consciousness within, you know, a certain revelation within man, right? Rasta can come in different names. A Buddhist, Muslim, Hinduism. It's just showing this environment, right? Why we say Rasta. If him not realize boy, it's only a philosophy from Africa right now could have free I and I as black people. From him take on to himself this concept. It's nature him a deal with, it's earth him a deal with. Right? The earth is your mother, it's the food, it's how you look, it's how you talk, right? It's how you relate to people. Cause right now it's like a cancer and it can't come out, just like how you them couldn't get it out of Bob's head. You know, see? Rasta gone too far now for them stop it. Them have to wipe out the whole away. And when I say the whole away, I mean all black people, you know, the whole earth. You know, see? So we're there now and we're there forever. And we're going to live how I live. And we're going to fight against technology same way. And scientific exploitation. And capitalism. And the Russian and the American. Because none of them can free I and I right now. Is we have to go find our own solution to our own problem. My poetry come here now for show a situation. It's not something new I show in the poetry. Just a different way to express the same thing. See? So we're going at some poetry. Like this one. Negro, nigger, West Indian. Then at which country I belong? Negro black, but Negro land? No. Nigger stupid, but stupid land? No. West, yes, but I know Indian. Then at which country I belong? I have to go trace my original place. Try to find out where I is all about. I come here from the east that I know. But in the east there's no Negro. Nigger that I can't figure. West Indian. Then at which country I belong? Wait. I remember a land where man act like man. Them used to call we Nigerian, Ghanaian, Ethiopian. Yeah, you remember to say no. A time the world now cut out the superficial business, right? And feel say, what them say out there is Rasta that. Through them a little cult business. Them for just know say Rasta gone higher than where right now them say. Them become no Rasta. Just that. Now if you come know Rasta now, what you say is what you say. What you know is different.